It's super great. It's a real-time, real-time volumetric capture is something that I've been thinking about for a while.
They have cameras around the room and it portrays me my hologram exactly into the scene.
The cool thing is, since it's an hologram, you can actually choose the point of view. You can zoom, pretty much as you would do in a real 3D scene.
We are a software company capturing your body in real time, live capture of a volumetric body. To do so, we are using a voxel-based graphic rendering.
Capture someone's physical appearance and convert it into a digital one. That makes a lot of sense, especially in the future that we're going into.
Using voxels, we are also simplifying the workflows of creation.
Common modifying operations can be applied to it.
Everything is in real time, and because I'm seeing a real person, it feels very analog. It feels much more natural than other platforms that I've experienced.
Using this technology with AR glasses or VR glasses really feels like real life experience. Imagine all the potential applications for content, communication, especially remote collaboration these days. I'm actually right now in the middle of a call, as you would do with Skype, except that what you get on the screen is a 3D hologram, as if you were in the same place. This technology allows us to capture bidirectional calls, but not only. We can also broadcast live performances for you to enjoy them at home.
And we are also combining that with real-time visual effect.
This shit is awesome!